So I got these LabelRange labels for my new label printer because I have a whole bunch of stuff to ship out. So I want to make it easy on myself, and I bought a printer that prints shipping labels and then these matching labels. This particular pack I got comes with 500 4x6 thermal shipping labels, and they're by LabelRange, which is also the printer that I purchased, so I can ensure that these will be compatible. Let's try them out. So this pack of labels works perfectly with this printer. I always like buying the same brand stuff because I know it's going to be compatible. But one thing just to note, it's super easy to just slide this in here. You pull the top up, slide it in the back, and then it'll just sit right behind there. But one thing to note is you really want to take note of this where it says this side should face down. That's really the only thing you've got to know. And then you just insert the labels into there, into the back of the printer there, and now you're ready to print. Highly recommend these labels and printer.